Everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 16, and I know this is like a weird camera angle, but I'm currently putting on my socks. I just got out of the shower and it's actually pretty late right now, but for today's vlog I am going to be spending my night cleaning this house because this house is a mess. If you guys didn't watch our video yesterday, we did some gingerbread houses and the dining room is a freaking mess and I have to clean. I have to do laundry and I just have a lot of things to do today, but tonight I am not going anywhere, so I just took a shower. I did get out of work at like 4 and right now it's 5, which is really not late. It's actually early, but it's so dark outside because it snowed here in Maryland. Okay, let's go downstairs because we need to start cleaning. This house is a freaking mess, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how messy this room is. So that is the little mess that we have. Those are the houses. This is where I was editing. I was editing on the floor, but my back started hurting. Have the ring light, and unfortunately I feel like the video was so bad quality because of the lighting, and I forgot to turn the ring light on, and then we put all that stuff in there. The kitchen is looking quite messy, so it's really not that much. It's just mostly the dining room, and then this right here, and the living room looks pretty clean in my eyes, but I just have to like vacuum in here and like get rid of all that stuff there. This looks pretty decent. I'm about to turn on the Christmas tree. Ta-da! And yeah, I showed you guys already, I have all the presents. So on this side we have the presents that are gonna stay in this house, so it's literally just for me and Tim, so those are his gifts. And then on this side I have like all of my family's gifts. I still have to wrap a couple more and then I'll be done, but I love this tree. And I can't forget to turn on these candles, so I'm about to do that right now because I need this house to smell so good. Honestly, I have been using this one and the other one so much lately that they're kind of like already gone, as you guys can see. So I love this smell. This one is the candy cane swirl, and then this one is my favorite one. This one is the winter pine one, and I put it over here because like it smells really good. It smells like pine tree. The smell of this tree is kind of gone already, so that's why I put that near here, so it can kind of give off like that tree smell, especially because the tree is right next to it. But let's go ahead and start cleaning. I'm gonna set the camera somewhere over here on these steps. So this is pretty much what it looks like. I had little gifts there and like wrapping paper, and I got rid of that. I put it all away. And here I just had a vacuum, so it really wasn't like dirty. I just had to kind of like pick up. But everything is looking nice and clean. Still got the candles burning. The stairs are looking nice and clean also. So there's no mess on them. The floor is looking nice and clean. We had a lot of candy on the floor. This is the dining room. The dining room, I feel so like relieved because I honestly hate messes on the table, and I just like really hate messes overall, especially when they're like in my way. So yeah, I got rid of everything. Here the floor was pretty much an issue because there was a whole bunch of candy on the floor. But yeah, everything is looking nice and clean. And now I'm gonna head into the kitchen. The kitchen is so messy, especially because I just kind of stored everything in here that was on the table. And now I am all done with the kitchen. Alright guys, so that is gonna be it for today's video. I think I'm getting like really sick because I have like a very stuffy nose. But anyways, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.